Broken Bells. Broken Bells. The Derek Trucks Band. Fun. Crystal Castles. Crystal Castles. Grizzly Bear. Fatboy Slim. Fatboy Slim. First Aid Kit. First Aid Kit. Cults. Cults. Mumford and Sons. Mumford and Sons. Decemberists. The Decemberists. The Prodigy. The Prodigy. Foals. Madonna. Madonna. Lord Huron. Sigur Rs. Sigur Rs. Radiohead. The best Radiohead songs of all time. 92, 17, 28 best rock bands of all time. 31 of 383 the greatest musical artists of the 90s. Imagine Dragons. Imagine Dragons. 9 Inch Nails. 9 Inch Nails. Ministry. Gary Clark Jr. Gary Clark Jr. Bananarama. Bananarama. Journey. NSYNC. NSYNC. Van Halen. More Van Halen, the best Van Halen songs of all time. 12 awesome stories about Eddie Van Halen that sound made up but aren't. Black Sabbath. More Black Sabbath drug-fueled, sordid tales from Black Sabbath's heyday that prove just how unhinged they really were. The best Black Sabbath songs of all time. Pearl Jam. More Pearl Jam, the best Pearl Jam songs of all time. The tragic story of Pearl Jam's deadly Roskilde show. Rage Against the Machine. More Rage Against the Machine, the best Rage Against the Machine songs, the best Rage Against the Machine albums of all time. Ronnie James Dio. More Ronnie James Dio. 11 myths about Ronnie James Dio debunked. 233 of 316 the greatest singers of the past 30 years. Tool. Oasis. Oasis. Slayer. More Slayer fascinating facts you didn't know about Slayer's Reign in Blood. Best Slayer albums of all time, ranked 179 of 300. 356 musicians who belong in the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Metallica. Bruce Springsteen. 3 Doors Down. 3 Doors Down. AC/DC. Pantera.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.